Hey guys, welcome to part 4. This is my personal hunting trapping kit that I keep on me and in my bug out bag. I didn't bring my bug out bag, I just took the stuff out of the bug out bag that I trap and fish with, and I put it in here. But let's get started here first. You've seen these, but these are the small ones. These fit perfect up on a limb for squirrels. They come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, then the large. But these fit perfect up on a tree branch. Like I said, I'm going to do a video. They're $2.89 a piece on Temu. Can't beat it. I keep those in my bag. This, of course, is my pouch that I always keep on my side. These are metal traps. Just simply undo it. You can set it in the water. What I found out, you're going to have to put a rock in there to help them sink, but they compact down to nothing. I carried 2 of those in there. I bought this slingshot off of Amazon. Paid like 16 bucks, and it is a nice slingshot. I like it. It comes with, I got extra bands in here and ammo. I carry at least 1, maybe 2 110s. This is for like a water set. I see mink or muskrats in the water and I know where they're coming in and out at, I could set that. Now another thing I carry, it's a pump pellet rifle. Perfect for small games, rabbits, squirrels. And I can carry 500 pellets. Now, if you want something different, sorry, this is killing my knees. You can carry a .22 revolver. It's a single action. Perfect for small game. You can get a cylinder for, this is just a regular .22, but you can get them for a .22 mag. The cylinder's $35, but you know, if you want something a little bit more powerful, and that's 50 rounds of hollow points. So, but that's what I keep in my bag. This right here is more than enough to help me provide food. And I can use this for crawdads, minnows, that I can again turn around and use for bait. You know, that's what I carry in the bag. Sorry guys, my knees are killing me. It sucks being an old man. This, I keep a little flashlight, and yes, I do have a headlamp that I keep on me at all times. Rope, bank line, at least 2 pairs of rubber gloves for when I'm cleaning animals and fish, so I don't get that. I keep a couple of these. These you can pop open. Well, you can pop open and put into your mental trap. You can put the bait in here. You don't have to worry about it. But I keep a couple of those. I keep a separate knife. This is just for filleting fish and game. It's a O-Forge. Comes with a little a little sharpener. I think I paid like $6-7 bucks for it at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. But just something just for small, you know, just for cleaning. I got a bigger bag of the stink bait for this. here is, well, sorry, I thought I had this open already. But it's just one of those nets, emergency gill nets. I've got another net I can put on a bank line or a fishing pole, smash this stink bait in there, open it up, throw it out, let the fish swim into that. Sorry, I got to adjust. It's killing my knees. Oh yes, that feels better. This is a 22-foot bank line with about a, I want to say 3/4 ounce sinker. I can throw out if I get bigger fish. I mean, if I get small fish, I can cut up, put on the hook, throw it out, try to get bigger fish. Here, it's a Band-Aid, Leatherman's tool, pocket knife, fingernail clippers, a lighter, and I've got Gorilla tape wrapped around there in case I get cut deeper than a Band-Aid. I can wrap it around, or if I need an emergency fire starter. I've got another one, so I can put 2 of these out if need be. Picture frame wire snares. They're small and medium. Small are for like the trees where you're putting it up for squirrels. The medium are for putting on trails for rabbits. This is just a small box of jigs and hooks, sinkers. Here's my other box. It has the bigger hooks in there, more sinkers, more hooks, rooster tails, little jigs for bobbers. So I've got plenty of hooks and sinkers right here. I carry 3 yo-yos. I got extra bobbers if need be. 1, 2, 3 of the large ones. Again, I am going to do a video on these traps. I have a big frog gig. I just made a out of duct tape so it don't poke me. I also have a small one. This is a catfish line, trout line. There's six swivels. I put some hooks in there so I can stretch it out, make me a catfish line, trout line, whatever you call it, catch some fish. I've got another 22-foot bank line with 3/4 ounce and a big hook to throw out. And I have another catfish trout line. I also have another bag of small to medium-sized picture frame wire snares. In here, I have those fishing triggers. I've got 4 of them already lined with hooks and with bank line. All I got to do is bait it, set it, tie it up, and I've got 4 more ways. Here, I want to show you guys this. I thought this was pretty neat. I haven't used this yet, but I thought it was pretty neat here. Let me get it all untangled. And yes, I got this off of Temu. It was like 99 cents. But you can tie a bank line here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. I put a little 1/4 ounce sinker on there. You can throw that out and let it work for you. So that's 5 chances of catching fish. I haven't tried this yet. I plan on trying it. I might do a video on it. Just let me know if you guys are interested. See how it works. I think I bought 5 of them, but keep one in here. I'm running out of room here. Of course, crickets for bait, mealworms for bait. I keep a pack of peanut butter in here to to bait my traps. If you want to, I usually keep a small piece of pantyhose, but I guess it fell out, I don't have it, and squeeze that in there and tie it onto the triggers of the bait, onto the trap, so it stays secure. Just a little bitty magnesium ferro rod. I keep 6 32-inch snares that I make in my pack. Here's those hooks that I can, I bought like 10 packs each of these. So I've got them, the boys has got them. I can use this to squeeze it down in there, put it on a line, and I've got bait. Yes, I have about 4 or 5 of these. It's a stringer, so I don't have to make one, and some extra hooks in a little baggie for my frog gigs. And that's it. I mean, I have multiple ways of fishing. I have multiple ways of trapping. I have multiple ways of snaring. I can get crawdads. I can hunt with the pellet pistol or the 22 plus. This is a 15 round 9mm mag that I keep hollow points in, and I keep my 9mm Ruger on me at all times. I keep it concealed, but this is for 2-legged creatures and this is for 4-legged creatures. If I was in a shit hit the fan situation and I needed big game, say a raccoon, a turkey, if I'm close enough, if I'm sitting still in the woods and a deer eases up to me within 15-20 feet, this 2 rounds, I can pull off 2 rounds real quick. The deers, I might have to track it, but it's going down. But this is my survival kit for gathering food. Aries, walk around here so they can get a good view of it. I have multiple ways of getting food in a shit hit the fan situation. And this is only what I carry. I have a bag like this just dedicated for traps and fishing and stuff like that I keep separate, that I'll be able to keep in the vehicle, at base camp, wherever we're at, so we can spread out even farther to catch and trap more food. But tell me what you guys think, and tell me what you guys think. What would you add? What would you take away? Do you guys think it's too much, or is it too little? I think for my personal use and what's in my bag, this works perfect for me, because again, I can put this either in my bag or I can keep it on my side, on my belt. But tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.